Almost got smashed.
I'm sorry, Dad.
What's going on, Lens?
All right, we're headed to Elephant Poo Poo Paper Park and Sticky Waterfalls.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Okay, so it's about, 8 in the morning?
Yep.
And we're heading down to get in our car from Siam Rent.
Yeah.
And he should be here waiting for us.
Siam Rent.
Okay, good morning. So we're heading to the Elephant Poo Poo Paper Park today, and we're also going to the Sticky Waterfalls. So Siam Rent has picked us up in this van. Let's get going. Oh, this is nice. Oh, perfect. All right, let's head.
All right, we're headed to Elephant Poo Poo Paper Park, and it's about a 30-minute drive. See you there.
You ready, Lily?
I have food.
Oh, yeah, it does. Okay, we just got to the Elephant Poo Poo Paper Park.
Wow, gorgeous. What's your name?
Yeah, so what they do here is they collect poop from elephants, obviously, and they remove the poo part of it and just have the fibrous remains, and then they make paper out of it. And I think we're gonna go learn how to make that today.
Yeah.
So let's go.
The real
Got an
elephant.
elephant sticker.
Oh, this-
So we are at Elephant Poo Poo Paper Park, and we're just waiting for our tour. It starts at 9 o'clock, so we're just looking around.
Here, the gift shop in that corner. We're gonna walk, follow the poo here where we are. Cafe. Are you ready? Let's go. Follow me.
Don't step in the poop. Oh, don't step in the poop.
I can check no smell. I'll tell you why. Paper. You see?
Which one do you think will make a lot, Phra?
Ah, that's correct. It's correct, and you agree. Yes, that no fiber. But
Follow the poo.
Mushrooms.
Cool.
this one, what we do, elephant poo, when they dry, we put in the basket. We call cleaning drop. See, soak in there and rinse it off. Like that. And here.
It don't smell anything.
It doesn't? No, it doesn't.
Temperature is hot. Okay, this one, what we're gonna make the paper. Yeah. Hold the ball.
It's wet.
It's wet. This one is similar like paper mache.
It's a caterpillar.
One for you. Now I give you one each. And follow me now. We do small one and make the round one. Then pull here and in this machine. And step up.
Now step up.
There you go.
Now should we make the paper? We're gonna make the paper together. And how about you? Do the same thing. And one a little. Break it up. Keep the fiber inside. Okay. Now what we need to do?
Yeah.
See?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, each corner. Okay. And follow me. Come in here first. Between one, come in there. Wow, This one, we leave the water running. How long to get the water is running first? Who made the pink one? Put your the pink one. The same with me. The paper gonna pop it off.
That's paper you made?
No. But it's a color.
Yeah.
Is it
You get it, Lily?
this one when we got the paper?
So we're gonna get one each. You want to
Good
book?
luck.
Fine. Do you want to do a small one though, like a mini journal?
So
Or do you wanna-
journal or the mini journal?
Yeah.
What is it? I'm glad I got a big book. A book.
That's so pretty.
Is my name.
What's it say? What letters are those?
C and H.
That's right.
This and that.
That's awesome. Good job.
I'm so happy I got this.
Good. Okay, that's where the tour ends. We just did the DIY stuff, and now we're heading back up to the front entrance. That is a really cool park and really affordable. How much was that, Lens?
So it was 750 baht
For the whole family?
for all of us. Yep.
Nice.
And then the DIY things are also a little bit more. So
That's right.
just depends on what you're getting. The journals are probably the most expensive.
Yeah, definitely. Yep.
But
And you don't have to do those. They're optional,
yes.
but they are fun.
All right, so they do actually have a cafe here, and they have a couple food dishes, and then sodas, coffees, waters, things like that. So we're getting a poo-poo chip cookie.
Elephant Poo Poo Paper Park, Chiang Mai. That was a lot of fun. I like doing these hands-on kind of things. They're a lot more fun than just going to like a museum or a zoo or things. And this is just kind of unique. You don't really get to do this anywhere else. So we are about to go head back to the van, and then I think we're gonna go get some lunch, and then we're going to Sticky Waterfalls in a little bit.
Kapun ka.
Thank you. Bye. So we're gonna go have some lunch, and then it'll be Sticky Waterfalls after that.
Yeah.
Closed until August 30th.
Aw.
Aww. Well, this is great. This
Yeah.
looks awesome. All right.
The water fountain.
Oh, follow your mom. You coming with us?
Yeah.
Our other place didn't work out, but our driver found us an awesome place, and we just ordered some yummy looking food.
It could have been a terrible place. It could have been a really expensive place, but I think we found a pretty good place, and it looks really good. It's really nice in here, and the environment is awesome. Like they have all this landscaping with these like misting machines going. It's freaking awesome.
2, 3.
What'd you get, Liz?
It looks amazing. Cow soy. I'm like excited. It smells so good. And they gave me a lot of chili oil, so that's awesome.
Okay, we got our food, we got our beers, we're gonna dig in. Okay, we just got done with lunch, and that was really, really good. It was 935 baht, or around 27 US dollars. That was so good.
Yeah, really good.
Yeah, the girls actually liked it so much we ordered a second helping for them.
Yeah.
And that doesn't always happen, so very good place.
We got these little babies.
Those are super cute.
So kids here make those. Some kids around here make them, and she sells them in her shop, and she gives all of the money to them. So we just bought. They're cool.
Okay, we're back in the van.
We're headed to Sticky Waterfalls.
I think we just have like a 40-minute drive there and Sticky Waterfalls. Here we come.
Yeah.
Girls, you ready? Okay, we're at Tong National Park, better known as Sticky Waterfalls.
We are going to the sticky waterfall.
Okay, we're here on the GoPro, so the sound's gonna be awful. But that means I can get it wet, and we're about to get wet.
Some of the areas might be slip.
This way. I know. Okay, it's not as sticky as I remember. I'm actually slipping a lot. So that like first part up there, it's wherever the rocks are not the tan color, they're kind of like a greenish brown. They're slippery. Girls, slow down. You're gonna have to go down on your bottom. Okay, how's it going, Len?
Going.
Yeah, it is. Woo! Full lap. Phra? You alright? Okay. Woo! That was not so sticky. You alright, Ben?
Okay.
Yep. You alright, Harper?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sticky Waterfalls.
Yeah,
Pretty awesome, right?
it is awesome. It's really fun. Going back up, I think, is.
I think so too.
What?
Let's go back.
This bag is really waterproof. In my pocket. So, bag it up. Lean into it. Ah, that was real good. You wanna do it? There you go.
That does feel better.
Okay, we're gonna go in the rainy part. Oh my God, that's awesome. This is absolutely incredible. Woo. I love it. Oh, shit, you all right? I know, be careful, you all right? Yeah, it is. I don't think I'll be climbing that one today. Okay, we got the final push to get to the top. Good job, sir.
Yeah, no, you can look up here.
Okay, almost to the top. Oh. Holy cow, I'm dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sticky waterfalls. Now I'm exhausted and I need water bad. All right, that was Tong Waterfalls. Sticky Waterfalls. That was a lot of fun. Oh, now we're heading home. What do you think, Vince?
All right. That was a really fun day.
Okay, we just got back from a awesome day trip with Siam Rent,
Yes.
and they took us like everywhere. It was awesome.
Yeah. Our driver, Ice, was really awesome. He picked us up at 8:15. We went to Elephant Poo Poo Paper, and then he recommended an awesome lunch spot for us, which we can put in the comments. And then we went to Sticky Waterfalls, and he brought us back. And it was a very comfortable ride for our family of 5.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
Yep.
So